What's up guys, Deron here bringing you another video. But before I get more into the video, I want everyone to comment below 3 emojis that tells a short story. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get iOS 11 emojis on your Android device without root. I will also be showing you how to get the different skin tones. With that said, let's get this video started. So first, I'm going to show you that my device is not rooted. So I'm going to go to the Google Play Store and I'm going to search for root checker. Now I'm going to install it on my device. Now that it is installed, let us open it. Now I'm going to run it. And as you can see, root access is not properly installed on this device. Now I'm going to open my keyboard and show you guys my current emojis. These are my current emojis. I am going to be changing these emojis to the iOS 11 emojis. So you want to go to your settings, scroll down to security, and ensure unknown sources is enabled. Once unknown sources is enabled, there will be 2 links in the description below. One link is for Samsung devices and the other link is for other devices. So you want to click the link for your device. It will take you to this website. You want to download this file. Once the file is downloaded, I'm going to show you where the file is stored.
A few moments later.
Now I'm going to open ES File Explorer. Then go to internal storage. So this file is stored in my download folder. Also at the end of this video, I will be showing you guys whether or not these emojis work on Snapchat, because I think that is the main reason most people want these emojis. Now the next thing you will need is a custom recovery for your device. Root is not required in order to flash a custom recovery, because flashing a custom recovery happens before Android is even running. Custom recovery is basically a lower level part of the firmware. There are custom recoveries such as twerp and the clockwork mod recovery. So I will be using twerp recovery. I already have a recovery on my device, so I'm going to reboot my device to my recovery. If you do not have a recovery and do not know how to flash one, then comment below what kind of device you are using and I will guide you from there. Now that I'm in my recovery, the first thing you want to do is make a backup of your device. So select backup. Now all you need to backup is your system and the data. You then want to select the storage in which you want to save this backup. So I'm going to select my SD card, then select OK. Now swipe to backup.
A few moments later.
Once you make your backup, you want to go back. Now you want to tap on install. Ensure that you are on internal storage. Now find the download folder and tap on it. Then tap on the file you downloaded. Now swipe to flash this file.
A few moments later.
Once the file is flashed, you can go ahead and reboot your device. Now that the device is rebooted, I'm going to show you guys the iOS emojis. So I'm going to open my keyboard. So now we have the iOS emojis, but as you can see, we cannot see the new iOS 11 emojis. And we cannot change the skin tone if we hold it down on the emoji. I should be able to hold it down on the emoji and change the skin tone, but it doesn't work. So now I'm going to show you how to get the iOS 11 emojis to show up, as well as how to get the different skin tones. What you need to change the skin tone is the correct keyboard. So the keyboard I'm going to show you is Google Keyboard. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for Gboard. Then go ahead and install it on your device.
A few moments later.
Once you have it installed, go ahead and open it. Select Enable in Settings. Then use the toggle to enable Gboard. Now select OK. Select Input Method and choose Gboard. Now tap Set Permissions. Then select Done. Now you should be able to see the new iOS 11 emojis. I am going to select some of the new ones. As well as you should be able to change the skin tones on the emojis. So if I find one of the emoji that can change skin tone and hold it down on it, as you can see, I am able to change the skin tone and we now have the new iOS 11 emojis. I am now going to show you guys if this works on Snapchat. So I'm going to go to the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Now I'm going to install it on my device.
A few moments later.
Now that it is installed, I am going to open it and log in.
A few moments later.
Then I'm going to take a picture. Now I'm going to open my keyboard. And as you can see, the iOS 11 emojis worked on Snapchat. Now if you want to go back to your previous emojis, you want to reboot back into your recovery. Go to Restore, tap on Select Storage, go to where you made the backup. For me, that is the SD card. Now tap on OK. Tap on the backup you made. You can uncheck data. Now swipe to restore.
A few moments later.
Once that is complete, you can reboot your device. I am now going to open my keyboard. And as you can see, I have my previous emojis. So if you did enjoy this video, then remember to smash the thumbs up button, and if it is your first time here, then you do want to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.